Want to create visually stunning videos that grab your audience's attention? Let's dive into creating awesome split screen effects in CapCut PC. First, import all the video clips you want to use in your split screen into your CapCut project. Simply drag and drop them into the media bin. Now drag each video clip onto the timeline. Make sure they're layered on top of each other on different tracks. This is crucial for creating the split screen effect. Select the topmost video clip on your timeline. Head over to the basic settings panel here. We'll adjust the scale and position of the clip. Reduce the scale of the video. This will make it smaller, allowing other videos to be visible on the screen. A scale of 50% often works well, but adjust to your liking. Next, adjust the X and Y position values to move the video clip to your desired location on the screen, perhaps the left side. Repeat this process for the other video clips on your timeline. Scale them down and position them accordingly, creating your desired split screen layout. For example, position the second clip on the right side. To add a professional touch, consider adding borders or frames around each video segment. You can do this using overlays or by creating shapes in CapCut and positioning them around your clips. Enhance the split screen further by adding text or graphics to each segment. This can provide context or highlight key information. And there you have it, a dynamic and visually appealing split screen effect in CapCut PC. Experiment with different arrangements and creative elements to make your videos stand out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.